I came up on a little scramble from down there along the side, and prior to that I was following along the side of the mountain. There's a trail in the middle, and then down from there and on a shoulder and down along that ridge with a tree-free dry ridge, and down below, down to the little bump, and down from there towards the parking lot. My hands are really in pain. I did too many pull-ups this week, and I caused some tension, and I'm completely out of water. I have no idea how long am I going to continue for before I turn around.